How to get a Thailand retirement visa. Step-by-step guide, dreaming of retiring in the tropical paradise of Thailand. Stick around because today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to secure your Thailand retirement visa. It's easier than you think if you follow the right process. 1. What is a Thailand retirement visa? Before we begin, let's get clear on what a Thailand retirement visa is. Officially called the Non-Immigrant O-A Visa, it's designed for foreigners aged 50 or older who want to retire in Thailand. With this visa, you can enjoy the stunning beaches, delicious food, and warm culture, all while living stress-free. 2. Eligibility requirements. First, let's talk about eligibility. To qualify, you must be at least 50 years old, have no criminal record in your home country or Thailand. Meet the financial requirements, either a bank deposit of 800,000 Thai baht or a monthly income of at least 65,000 Thai baht. These criteria are straightforward, but gathering proof is key. Let's move to the paperwork. 3. Gather the required documents. Here's what you'll need. Your passport, valid for at least 18 months. Recent passport size photos. A financial statement or proof of income. A police clearance certificate from your home country. A health certificate showing you're free from prohibited diseases like tuberculosis. Completed visa application form. Make sure all documents are accurate and up-to-date, as any discrepancies could delay the process. 4. Submit your application. Once your documents are ready, submit your application to the Thai embassy or consulate in your home country. You'll likely need to schedule an appointment, so check their website for details. Pay the application fee, which is around 5,000 Thai baht, and wait for approval. 5. Arrive in Thailand. Congratulations, your visa is approved. But there's more to do once you arrive. You'll need to open a Thai bank account and transfer the required funds if you haven't already. This proves you meet the financial criteria for staying in Thailand. 6. 90-day reporting. After settling in, remember this crucial step: 90-day reporting. Every 90 days, you must inform Thai immigration of your current address. You could do this in person, by mail, or online. It's a simple process, but missing it can result in fines. Renewing your visa. Your retirement visa is valid for 1 year. To stay longer, you must renew it annually. The process is similar to the initial application. Submit updated financial proof, health certificate, and your passport to Thai immigration. Easy, right? Now you know exactly how to secure your Thailand retirement visa.